Check that out, guys. Real wet. Check that out, guys. Oh, he took the healthy little guy. Outlaw lures, blue wave tackle. Check that out, guys. Beautiful redfish. Beautiful, beautiful redfish. Say he's a keeper. Knotty Stringerz.
Let's go. I've been up all night, baby, no stress. Let's go. No rest. Let's go. No text. Let's go. No rest. I've been up all night, baby, no stress. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I've been up all night, baby, no stress. Let's go.
Check it out, guys. Outlaw lures. Big old red, guys. Oh man. Here we go. That feels like a good one. Oh. There we go. That's what it's all about, guys. Oh. He's having his personal space with. All right, guys, coast to coast lures. Beautiful little trout. Glow in the dark action. Coast to coast lures. What stuck your rod? Oh, that's another one. Here we go. Here we go. Check it out, guys. It's another tag up, coast to coast. This one looks like a keeper, guys. Oh, stop it, stop it, stop it. Check it out. Nice. Hold on, I'm headed your way. Hold on. Ow, that one hurt. That one hurt. Stop it. Girl, let me love you. Stop it. Check it out, guys. Ah. Another trout. Coast to coast lure, glow in the dark action. Just trout after trout after trout. Good little size, but huts. And then they'll find it. Another one. Check it out, guys. That one's definitely a keeper. Coast to coast lures. Stop it. Check that out, guys. Coast to Coast Lure Co. Beautiful trout. Glow in the dark action. Beautiful, beautiful trout. Eric, where's Eric? Eric, you want to head over here? All right, check this out, guys. This is a beautiful trout, bro. Coast to Coast Lures. Glow in the dark action. What these trout are doing right now, guys, under the bank where it's really dark, they're finding that glow in the dark action and they're just attacking it. So under that really, really dark area is where they really want it. This guy looks like a keeper. I'm going to put him on a stringer and measure him up. Make sure that we're good to go. There we go. Guys, that's another big one. Guys, check this out. This is a huge trout, bro. Guys, check this out. Coast to Coast Lures, blue wave tackle. That's a size 3. It's a size 3 1/4 ounce. Check it out, guys. Coast to Coast, blue wave tackle, Barebone rods. Doing their job, bro.